there is a employee table, employee ID, name. Next one, employee works per project. Employee 1 work, employee 2 working for 101, employee 3 not assigned to any project. These two tables are given to you. From these two tables, what they're asking is, so they're asking something like this. What is display employee details with project details? But in requirement, they don't mention inner join, left outer, right outer, full outer. They don't mention. You have to read, you have to understand, you have to decide. For this requirement, use outer join, use inner join, use left outer, use right outer. You have to decide. But they don't mention like outer, inner, like that. So they're asking employee details with what? Project details. Okay, na? So employee details are there in employee table. Project details are there in what? Projects table. So they want employee details with project details. Then what type of join you have to perform? Inner join. What? Inner join. He didn't mention anything. Just employee details with project details. Then inner join. You have to write an inner join query. Now display employee details with project details, and also display what? And also display employees not assigned to any project. You have to read it. You have to read, understand. Employee details with project details, and also display employees not assigned to any project. Not assigned to any project. Outer join. Which outer? See, like forget left outer or right outer. Outer join, okay. But what is important is than left outer, than right outer. Identify from which table you want all rows, from which table you want matching rows. From which table you want all rows, from which table you want matching rows. For this requirement, from which table you want all rows? Is asking, and also display employees not assigned to any project. Suppose if I do the inner join between these two tables, if I do inner join, this is selected or not? Yes. This is selected or not? Yes. But this one is selected? No, this is not selected. Okay, na? Why this is not selected? Because this employee null, but this null is not matching with any record in what? Project table. So this is not selected. Yes or no? But he's asking what? Employee is not assigned to any project. Is not assigned to any project. Is asking this employee also. Then what? Outer join. Which outer join? So he wanted all the rows from EMP table matching from project table. All from EMP matching from project. When you write a query, so which table is left side, which table right side? EMP is what? Left side. Project table is what? Right side. What I said? Child table is left side, parent table is right side. Here, which is child table? EMP. Because in employee table, project ID is what? Foreign key. In project table, project ID is what? Primary key. In project table, project ID is primary key. Employee table, project ID is foreign key. So primary key table is parent, foreign key table is child. So EMP table left side, project table what? Right side. You want all the rows from EMP table. Then left outer join. Okay, na? Next, I'll ask display only the projects where no employee assigned to it. Then what is asking is asking only the project, no employee assigned to it. Then you take 100. Any employee assigned to 100? Yes, one employee assigned to 100. You take 101. Any employee assigned to 101? Yes. but you take 102. Any employee assigned to 102? No employee assigned to 102. Is asking 102 also. Is asking what? 102. Is asking only 102. See that? You see this. Display only the projects where no employee assigned to it. Is asking only 102. Then that means he is asking only unmatched record. Yesterday we have seen how to display only unmatched. Yes? Understood or not? Then for this requirement, inner join. For this requirement, outer join. Means matched plus unmatched. Now this is what? Only unmatched. He is asking only the projects no employee assigned to it. So he is asking only this 102. Then you write queries for this 3. That's all. This is what best example where outer join is required like that. Okay. Then okay. You know? Oh, what? Okay, that's all. This is what outer join. Next one. Or the next one is non-equijoin. Then so non-equijoin. Okay. So what is non-equijoin is? Okay. Non-equijoin is what then? So for equijoin for outer join, what is the criteria? For equijoin for outer join, what is the condition? For equi and outer joins. So to perform inner join, to perform outer join, then between the two tables there must be a common field. Inner join and outer join is performed based on common field. Suppose if the two tables are not sharing a common field, then you perform non-equijoin. If the tables are not sharing a common field, then you perform what? non-equi join. That means non-equi join is performed. Non-equi join is performed between the two tables. Non-equi join is performed between the two tables, not sharing a common field. Okay, na? Non-equi join is performed between the two tables, not sharing a common field. If common field is there, inner join and outer join. If common field is not there, non-equi join. Okay, then so now any example? Okay, na? Any example? Then suppose here again take suppose for example employee table salary 1A something. Just listen first. So then okay 1000 makes 3C. Okay, na? Then 5000 and 4D 2000 and 5E 1500 something. This is one table. Next one table is there. What the table is? Sal grade table. In this one field is grade, low sal, high sal. Grade is 1. Salary is 700 to 1000. Grade 2 1001 to 2000. Grade 3 2001 to 3000. Grade 4 3001 to 4000. Grade 5 4001 to 5000. So there are two tables here. One table is what? Employee table. One table is what? Sal grade table. So this table stores employees data. This table stores grades. Grades. So if you go to government, they will be having grades. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 like this. Every employees will be having what? Grades. So the grades are based on here. Grades are based on what, sir? Salary range. Grades are based on what? Salary range. If the salary is between 700 to 1000, grade is what? 1. Salary between 1000 to 2000, grade 2. 2000 to 3000, grade 3. 4000, grade 4. 4000 to 5000, grade 5. So the grades are based on salary. Okay, na? One table is storing employees data. One table is storing sal grade, grades. I want to join these two tables. I want to join the two tables. Why you want to join these two tables? Because I want to display e-name and grade. Listen. I want to display what? E-name and grade. I want to display the employee name and what? Grade. E-name and grade. E-name belongs to what? E-name belongs to EMP table. Grade belongs to sal grade table. So data belongs to what? Two tables. Data belongs to two tables. So when you want data from two tables, what do you have to do? Join these two tables. Okay, now you want data from two tables. Join these two tables. Now is this two tables sharing any common field? No. Then what? Non-equi join. So these two tables not sharing any common field. Non-equi join. So non-equi join is not because of common field. Because of join condition. Listen. Non-equi join is because of what? Join condition. Not because of just common field. So here, see that previous one, you see the first, this examples, here you performed inner join because these two tables are sharing a what? Common field. Common field. If common field is there, we can compare with equal to operator. Yes or no? We can compare department number is equal to this department number or not. If this department number is equal to this department number, then join. This record is joined to this record. Yes or no? So here, because these two tables are sharing a common field, so we can compare by using what operator? We can compare by using what operator? Equal to operator. Yes or no? So we can compare by using equal to. Okay. So we can compare this department number with this department number. Department numbers are equal, then join. But here, see, these two tables are not sharing a common field. When the tables are not sharing a common field, we cannot compare by using equal to. Understood, na? If common fields are there, boss, we can compare by using equal to. If common fields are not there, we cannot compare by using equal to. Then here condition is not based on equal to. Condition is based on greater than, less than, between operators. That's why the join is called what? Non-equi. Because here join condition is not based on equal to operator. Okay, na? Then, so the join is called non-equi join because here join condition is not based on what? Equal to. Okay, then, so this join is called non-equi join because here join condition is not based on what? Not based on equal to operator. Not based on equal to operator. Okay, then. No. Sir, syntax is same. Query syntax is same, but join condition is join condition. Previous one join condition is based on equal to, but here join condition is not based on equal to. Then, now what I want is, sir, see this. I want to show employee name and grades. I want to join these two tables because I want to show employee name and what's her grade. Then display what? E-name and grade. Display E-name and grade. Then E-name and grade. I want to show name of the employee A and grade of the employee. Employee grade. A grade. But A grade is based on what? Employee A. Grade is based on what? This employee grade is based on what? Salary. Yes or no? Grades are based on salary now. So then what? How to get the grade of this employee? How to get the grade of this employee? What? Take the what, sir? Salary. Take the salary. Go to. Take the salary. Go to what? Sal grade table. Check. This salary 3,000 is between which low sal and which high sal? So 3,000 is between 700 to 1,000. No. 1,000 to 2,000. 2,000 to 3,000. Yes. Corresponding grade. Grade, select the grade. 3. Select the corresponding grade. 3. So this 3,000 is between 2,000 to 3,000. So then select the grade 3. That means what you have to check? You have to check employee salary. What? You want to get the grade of the employee. To get the grade of the employee, tell me what you have to do. Take the salary, go to what? Sal grade table. Check the salaries between which low sal and which high sal. So this 3,000 is between this low sal and high sal. Select the grade 3. Next 1,000. 1,000 is between 700 to 1,000. Select the grade what's that? 1. 5,000 is between 4,000 to 5,000. Select the grade what? 5. 2,000 between 1,000 to 2,000. Select the grade 2. 1,500 between 1,000 to 2,000. Select the grade 2. Understood? Then tell me to get the grades of the employees. Then tell me what you have to do. Tell me what you have to do to get the grade of the employee. Take the salary. Check the salary between which low sal and which high sal. Okay. If salary is between this range, select the corresponding grades. Then how to write the query? select what's that? Select what? E dot E name, then S dot grade. S dot grade from EMPE, EMPE. Then, so, your tables are separated by keywords. Here, previous one, first one, what is the keyword we use it? Inner join. So left outer joins, left outer, right outer, full outer. But what is the keyword we use here? Join keyword. What is the keyword we use? Join. There is no keyword called non-equijoin. Keyword is what? Join. So joining this EMP table, sal grade table, based on the condition. Tell me what is the condition? What is the condition? E dot sal. Check the salary between which low sal and which high sal. Then between S dot low sal, S dot high sal. So whichever record satisfy this condition, so that grade is selected. Okay, then. So check the salary between which low sal and which high sal. Now. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's see this here. Then. Now let me run this query. Okay, now then execute this query. But how it is executed? Just see how this query is executed. Now, so this is the table. Okay, now this is the table. Then. Now, okay, let's see this. So this is the salary. Okay, now? Now. Okay, then. Now. So it go to the first one. What is the E dot sal? What is the condition? E dot sal. What is E dot sal? 3000. So 3000 is between what? It checks E dot sal is between low sal and high sal. 3000 is between 700 to 1000. No. 1000 to 2000. No. 2000 to 3000. Yes. Condition true. This record is joined to this record. This record is joined to this record. That means these two rows becomes one row. These two rows becomes what? One row. From this row, what we are selecting? E name and grade. What is the E name is? A. What is the grade is? 3. Next one. Go to next one. So first one is completed. 1000. 1000 is between 700 to 1000. Yes. This record is joined to this record. So these two rows becomes what? One row. And from this what we are selecting is name. Name is what? B. What is the grade is? 1. And 5000. 5000 is between 700 to 1000. No. 1000 to 2000. No. 2000, 3000, 4000. No. 5000. So 5000 is between 4000 to 5000. Yes. So this row is joined to this row. So these two rows becomes one row. From this what we are selecting is name C. What the grade is? 5. Next one. 2000. 2000 is between 1000 to 2000. So these two rows becomes one row. From this you are selecting the name D, grade 2. And 1500 is also between these two. So name is E, grade is 2. Okay. Then that's all. Then, so what is this is? Tell me what? A. Name is A. What are the grades? A grade is what, sir? 3. Next one. B. What? 1. And C. 5. And D. 2. E. 2. That's all. Okay. So this is names. This is what? Grades. Okay. Next. So let me test. I want to test this query. Then what? Okay, na? I want to test it. Then but first check the table is there or not. Select star from. What is the table? Sal grade table. So table is there. But I think values are different. 700 to 1200, 12 to 1400. Okay. Okay, na? But values are different. But so table is there. Just run this query. I'm executing this query. So this query is showing each and every employee grade. So Smith salary is 800. Smith salary is 800. 800 is between what? 700 to 1200. Alan's salary is 1600. Alan's salary. James, maybe James salary is 1250 something. Or what? Like, okay. Then once again, you show the salaries also. Just listen. Just you show the salaries also. What that is? E dot sal. Then you see this now 800. 800 is between 700 to 1200. 950 is also between 700 to 1200. 1100 is also between this. 1250. 12 to 1400. Yes or no? That. So grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 like this. Okay. That's all. So getting the names from EMP table, grades from SAL grade table, getting the data from two tables. You are joining the employee names with grades based on this condition. Got it? Then now, next, what? But the previous query is displaying all, but I don't want to see all. I want to see only the employees grade 3. So display what? Grade 3 employee list. Then what? Display grade 3 employees list. Display grade 3 employees list. The previous query is displaying what? This query is displaying all 14 employees grades, but I don't want all. I want only grade 3 employees. Then, so to the same query, apply what? Filter condition. Apply the filter condition. Then what? How to apply the filter? Where grade should be 3. How to write grade equal to 3? S dot grade equals to 3. So then it will select only what? Grade 3 employees. Then how it works? Listen. See, 3000. 3000 is between what, sir? 2000 to 3000. Condition true. Is grade equal to 3? Yes. So both conditions true or not? Yes. Selected or not selected? Selected. 1000 is between 700 to 1000. Yes. But his grade is 3? No, not selected. 5000. 5000 is between 4000 to 5000. His grade is 3? No, not selected. 2000 between 1000 to 2000. His grade is 3? No, not selected. 1500 is between 1000 to 2000. His grade is 3? No. Okay. So this will select only grade 3 employees. It will not select all. Then so So there are two employees. There are two employees. So these two employees are what's it? Grade 3 employees. Understood that? So if you take our example, it will show only first record because this employee grade is 3. Then, so this gives grade 3 employees list. Now, next. Okay, then. So this is what this is non-equivalent. Okay, then you write this one. E name, D name, grade. I want to show the name, D name, grade. I want to show employee name, department name, grade of the employee. Okay, then E name, D name, grade. E name belongs to EMP table. D name belongs to department table. Grade belongs to SAL grade table. This is employee table. This is department table. This is SAL grade table. So it belongs to 3 tables. Then you have to join 3 tables. Yes or no? You have to join what's it? 3 tables. How many conditions required? How many conditions required? 2 conditions. Okay. So 3 tables what? 2 conditions. Next, suppose here, how to get the department names? Employee belongs to which department? How to get the department names? Employee belongs to which department? Department name. How to get the department name? Employee table, department number is there, boss. I want department name. Then what? Join this EMP table with what? Department table. What type of join you perform? What type of join, boss? Common field is there. Inner join. Next one. I want grade of the employee. I want grade of the employee. But grades are based on salary. Salary is there in EMP table. How to get the grades? Join this EMP table with what? SAL grade table. Any common field is there? No. What type of join? Non-equi join. So that means to get this output, you need to perform 2 joins. One is inner join between EMP and what? Department. Non-equi join between EMP and what? SAL grade. Okay. Then. So you have to perform 2 different joins. Then what? How? Now. What? Select E dot E name, D dot D name, S dot grade. Then from what? First I want department names. Then EMP E, inner join department D. Next one on E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So joining these 2 tables based on the department number, you'll get the department what's that? Name. Next one. After joining this, you'll get the department name. Next one, grade. But grades are based on what? Salary. Salary is there in EMP table. So join EMP table with what? SAL grade table. But in from EMP table is already there in from class. Yes or no? Which table is not there? sal grade table. Then I want to join this EMP table with sal grade. Then what? Join sal grade S. What is the condition? E dot sal between S dot low sal and S dot I sal. E dot sal between S dot low sal and S dot I sal. That's all. So one join is between EMP table and department table based on this condition. Another join is between EMP table and sal grade table based on this condition. Okay. Next. No. But if you run this query, if you execute this, so which is done first? Which join is done first? Let's say what? EMP table and what's that? Department table. So these two tables are joined first. And the result is joined with what? Sal grade. EMP table, department table is joined first and the result is joined with what? Sal grade. Let's see once again. Just see this. So this is EMP. I'll just take only one or two records. So this is 1A. Just see this. 10. Next one. 2B 20. And 3. Okay. 3C 30. And this is joined with what table? This is joined with what table? Department table. So department table, let's take only 3, 10, 20, 30. So 10th department is what? Accounts department. 20 is what? Research. And 30 is what? Sales. Now first, these two tables are joined. These two tables are joined based on this condition. If department numbers are equal, join. That means this record is joined to what? This employee record is joined to this department. This 20 is joined with this 20. This 30 is joined with 30. Yes or no? Then after joining this, can you guess what is the output? What is the output, boss? This is the output. Yes. So then this is the output. So this is employee record. This employee record is joined with what? Department record. So this is employee row. This employee row joined with department row. This employee row joined with this department row. So this is the result. And this result is joined with this result. This result is joined with what? Sal grade table. Like, see, you come this side. Come this side. Huh? What? You want to talk, you can go and talk. No problem. But why you come to the class? Huh? Yeah. It's fine. Just do something. Okay. Then so this is joined with what? This result. This result is joined with what's that? Sal grade table. Let's take salaries also. For example, salary. Okay, na? Then salary is also there. Now, so suppose this is like 3,000 and this is 1,000. This is 2,000. Then now, next what? Tell me. So this is the output. Then next, this result is joined with what? Sal grade table. Suppose this is the sal grade table. You already know this sal grade table. So this result is joined with sal grade. Then grade, next one, low sal, next high sal. Grade 1, suppose 1,000 to what? 700 to what? 1,000. This is 1,001 to 2,000. Next, 2,001 to 3,000. Enough now, according to our data. Then, so what is the salary of this employee? The first employee's salary is what? 3,000. Then next 1,000. Next 2,000. Then salaries are like this. Now, see, this record is joined with what? 3,000. 3,000 is compared with what? So 3,000. 3,000 is between 700 to 1,000. No. 1,000 to 2,000. No. 2,000 to 3,000. Yes. So this record is joined to what? Grade 3. This is joined with grade 3. So this is grade 3. Yes. Next one. It go to second record. What is the salary? 1,000. 1,000 is between 700 to 1,000. Yes. What it selects? Grade 1. Grade 1. Grade 1. Next one. This 3. What is the salary? 2,000. And 2,000 is between 1,000 to 2,000. Grade 2. Grade 2. Understood? Then see this once again. Sir, first it will join what? It will not join 3 tables at a time. First it will join 2 tables. You'll get some output. That output is joined with third table. Okay? Then, so first these 2 tables are joined. You'll get some output. This is the output after joining the 2 tables. Then this result is joined with what? Sal grade table. Then you'll get the final output. So this is the final output. But from this output, what we are selecting? From this output, what you are selecting? E name, D name, grade. What is the E name? A. What is the D name? Accounts. What is the grade? 3. E name is B. What is this is? Research. Grade is 1. E name C. What is the D name? Sales. What is the grade? 2. That's all. You don't need, but just execution. How this query is what? Executed. Okay, na? Then. So first it will join the 2 tables. The result is joined with what's that? Third table. Okay, then. Now let me run this. So king belongs to what? Accounting. What is the grade of this king is? 5. Research 4. Sales 4. Okay. So it is showing each and every employee name, department name, and what? Grades. So this data is selected from 3 tables. Okay, na? No. Okay, then. That's all. What the next one is? Self-join. Self-join. Then, what is self-join is? Okay. If you see in all these joins, you know 3 joins. Inner, outer, non-equi. In all the 3 joins, you join 2 different tables. EMP table, department table, EMP table, sal grade table. You join 2 different tables. Yes or no? What is self-join is? Joining a table to itself. A table is joined to itself. That is called self-join. So the join is not between 2 tables. The join is within the table. Join is what? Within the table, not between 2 different tables. It is within the table. Now, so then, like if you take, for example, previous example, you take what? There is a table one. The table one contains some records. Next one, table two. Table two contains some records. 1, 2, 3. Next, what we have done? So maybe a record in table one joined with what? A record in table two. A second record in table one joined with first record in table two. A third record in table one is joined with second record in table two. Join is like this. Join is between the records of two different tables. But when it comes to self-join, suppose this is the table. In table, some records are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now, what is self-join is a record in table 1. A record in table 1 joined with what? A record in table 1 joined with another record of what? Same table. Not with another record of what? Different table. Another record of same table. And this is maybe second record is joined with what? Fourth record. Maybe third record is joined with what's that? First record. Like this. So what this is called? Self-join. Okay. Now, what is self-join is? Now, in self-join, a record in one table joined with another record of same table. A record in one table joined with another record of same table. Okay, na? Then, so not with another record of what? Different table. Another record of what? Same table. But question is, what is the example for self-join? So in which scenarios you perform self-join? Let's take, this is a table, employee table. Select EMPNO, E-name, MGR is there. Up to now, we are not using this MGR. What is MGR is? Manager. MGR means manager. Employee number, employee name, manager. Now you see this. Sir, so 7369, Smith, employee Smith. Who is the manager for Smith? 7902. 7902 is what? Manager. 7902 is manager for Smith. Who is 7902? 7902 is manager now. Manager is also basically what? Manager is also basically employee. 7902 is also employee. If his employee means his record is there in employee table. His employee, that means his record is there in employee table now. So who is that? 7902. Ford. 7902 record is there in employee table. So who is 7902? Ford. That means who is manager for Smith? Ford. Who is manager for Allen? Who is manager for Alan? 7698. 7698. Who is 7698 is Blake. So Alan manager is what? Blake. Who is the what manager? 7698. 7698 is manager. But basically 7698 is employee. What is the name of this employee? Blake. So Jones manager is King. And Martin manager is Blake. Blake manager is King. Clark manager is King. Scott manager is Jones. Okay, that. So what is there in this table? What is there? Employee numbers, employee name, manager numbers. Employee number, employee name, manager number. But what do you want? What I want is, I don't want manager number. I want manager name. That means I want output to be like this. I want something like this. Smith manager is what? Ford. Allen manager is what? Blake. Watt manager is what? Blake. Jones manager is what? King. Next, I want output to be like this. So one side I want to print what? Employee names. Next, I want to print what? Manager names. But to get this manager name, to get the name of the manager, do we need to go to any other table? To get the name of the manager, do we need to go to any other table? No. It is there in the what? Same table. But it's not there directly. It is there what? Indirectly. So what is there? Manager number is there, but I want manager name. So you see the previous example. Employee table contains department number, but I want department name. To get the department name, then what you do? EMP table contains department number, but I want department name. Then go to department table, find out the matching department, then get the department name. So we have to go to another table. That's why that join is between two tables. But here, so related data is there in same table or different table? Same table. So that's why what is required here? Self join is required. So to get the name of this employee, what do you have to do? Compare this manager number with what? Employee number. Sir, this manager number is matching with this employee number. This manager number, then what? So this manager number, okay, na? This manager number is matching with what's that? This employee number. Yes or no? Then join this record with this record. Then you'll get the name of this Ford, employee name. And Allen manager is what? 7698. I want name of this employee. Then what? Take the manager number. Compare this manager number is matching with which employee number. So this manager number is matching with this employee number. So get the name that is what's that? Blake. Get the name that is Blake. Yes or no? Understood? Next. Jones manager 7839. I want name of this employee. Take the manager number. Compare this manager number is matching with which employee number. So this manager number is matching with this employee number. So get the name that is King. Understood? Then to get the manager name, then tell me what you have to do. To get the manager name, what you have to do? Compare manager number with what? Employee number. So find out this manager number is matching with which employee number. So this manager number is matching with this employee number. So get the name of that employee Blake. Understood? Then. Okay, na? No. But once again, sir, here when you submit a query to Oracle, okay, then actually now here how many tables are there? How many tables are there? One table. So you say from EMP. If you say from EMP, Oracle cannot perform join operation. If you say from EMP means it cannot perform join. To perform join operation, minimum Oracle requires what? Two tables. Because when you write a query like this, suppose table 1, next one, some join, next one, table 2. Then this is considered as join operation. Understood na? So this is treated as what? Join query. Suppose now here, how many tables are there? One table. You write like this. Select from table 1, like you write on condition, etc. But this is not considered as what? Join. Because to perform join operation, minimum it requires what? Two tables. But how many tables are there? One table. Then how to perform self join? So to perform self join, you have to write like this. What is from EMPX join EMPY? You have to write what's that? From EMPX join EMPY. From EMPX join EMPY. So the join is between what's that? Two tables. The join is between what? Two tables. X and Y. So join is between X and Y means join is between EMP table and EMP table because both X and Y are based on what? EMP table. That's all. Okay, na? Then. Now. So, like to perform self join, the same table must be declared two times with different alias. To perform self join, the same table must be declared two times with different alias. Means something like this. What is from EMPX join EMP what Y? From EMPX join EMPY. So the join is between what? The join is between X and Y. Join is between X and Y means join is between EMP table and what's that? EMP table. Okay, then. Now, so EMPX, next one, EMP what? Y. So EMPNO, rename, next one, MGR. Here also, sir, physically how many tables are there? Physically how many tables? One table. Okay, na? Table is one, X and Y are two references referring to the same table. X and Y are referring to the same table. Physically, how many tables are there in database? Only one table. Now, so then, suppose 7369. What the name is Smith? What is 7902? Next one, what's it? 7499. What is Ellen? 7698. Next one, I'm not taking all the data. I'll take only few. What? 7698. 75. 7698. Blake. 7839. Okay, na? Then 7839. Next King. So null. Similarly, 7902 Ford, like something. Same is there in this side also. Then, so not taking all the data. This I am taking only few. But king is not having what? King is not having manager because maybe is what? Maybe is the topmost employee. Maybe is the topmost employee is not reporting to any manager. Okay, then it doesn't need to report to any manager. Maybe is the topmost employee. Understood? Then now. Okay. Now, now display what employee name. Next one, manager name. Oh, what? Then how to get? So Smith, E name is Smith, but I want manager name. But what is there? Manager number is there. How to get the manager name? Compare this manager number with what? This manager number is matching with this employee number. So join this record with this record. So you'll get the manager name. Yes or no? So manager number is equal to employee number. How to write? Select. Okay, we'll write select from what? EMPX join EMPY. Next one on. What is the condition? EMPX join EMPY. What is the condition? X dot MGR. X dot MGR equals to Y dot EMPN. Then one second. See, it go to the first record. What is the X dot MGR? Okay, na? What is the X dot MGR? Then, what is X dot MGR? 7902. So 7902 is compared with what's that? Employee number. 7902 is compared with 7369. Matching or not matching? Not matching. 7499. No. 7521. No. No. Then 7902. So this is matching to this one. Yes. So this record is matching to this one. Now, these two rows becomes what? One row. These two rows are joined. So these two rows becomes one row. And from this, what do you want to display? This record is joined to this record bars. After joining these records, what do you want to display? Employee name, manager name. Employee name is what? Smith. Manager name is Ford. How to select this Smith? How to select this Smith? X dot E name. How to select this Ford? Y dot E name. X dot E name means Smith is selected. Y dot E name means Ford is selected. Okay, then now what is X dot E name? Next one, Y dot E name. Okay, then now, so like X dot MGR is what? X dot MGR. X dot MGR is what? 7902. 7902 is compared with what? Y dot EMPN. 7902 is compared with what? This 7902. So this record is joined with what? This record. After joining this record, what you are selecting? Name from X, name from Y. What is the name from X? Smith. What is the name from Y? Ford. Next one. And go to next one. Then what is X dot MGR is 7698. 7698 is compared with what? 7369. Not matching. 74 not matching. So this is matching to this one. Yes. And these two rows are joined. This record is joined to this record. After joining this record, what you are selecting? X dot ename, Y dot ename. What is X dot ename is Alan. Y dot ename is what? Blake. Next. And go to the next one. Then 7698. X dot ename. X dot MGR is what? 7698. So 7698 is compared with this one. So it is matching to this one. And this record is joined to this record. Okay. After joining these two records, we are selecting X dot ename. What the X dot ename is? Ward. What the Y dot ename is? Blake. Next one. Next. So it go to the next one. Blake 7839. 7839 is compared with what? 7839 compared with this 73. Not matching, not matching, not matching. This is matching to this one. So this record is joined to this record. Yes. And after joining these two records, what we are selecting? Name. Name from X. What is the name from X? Blake. What is the name from Y? King. Then next. So this is null. If this null is matching to any record, no. Next one, 7566. So 7566, okay. So actually it is there in the table, but I have not taken all the records. I have taken only few records. Okay, na? So this is the output you'll get. Okay then. No. So Scott manager is what? Jones. Ford manager is what? Jones. And all these managers what? Blake. Showing the employee name, manager name. But problem is both are displayed with what? E-name, E-name. If both are displayed with same heading, then there will be a confusion. Who is employee? Who is manager? So, sir, X dot ename means what? X dot ename means from X table we are getting this Smith, Allen, what? What are these employee names? From Y table we are getting what? Manager names. Yes. From X we are getting the employees data. From Y we are getting the manager's data. X dot means employee name. Y dot ename means manager name. Then you say as what? Manager. As manager. Now let's see. So execute this. Then now it is showing this. Okay. So heading is changed or not? Yes. But so this is showing what? This query is showing all the employee names and what? Manager names. But I don't want to see all. I want to see the employees reporting to Blake. I want to see the employees reporting to Blake. And then and what? Display employee names reporting to Blake. Don't show all, show only the employees reporting to Blake. Then what? Previous query, boss. To the previous query, apply what? Filter condition. Apply filter. Don't say where condition, say filter condition. Then what? Where what? manager name equals to Blake. Sir, X dot E name means what? X dot E name means employee name. Y dot E name means manager name. You see that from X table what we are getting. From X table we are getting the Smith. From Y table we are getting the Ford. What is Smith is employee name. What is Ford is manager name. So X dot means employee name. Y dot means manager name. So what is this is manager name equals to Blake. How to write this condition? Y dot E name equals to Blake. E name equals to Blake. So this will select only what? Blake. Okay. Then now, so let me execute this then. So what it is showing? Only the employees reporting to what? Blake. Now, so suppose here you see this, what how it works. Sir, it go to this one, first one. What the X dot MGR is? You see that X dot MGR. X dot MGR is what? 7902. 7902 is compared with this one. So this is matching to this. Plus, is manager name equal to Blake? Is manager name equal to Blake? No. Selected or not selected? Not selected. Go to the next one. What the X dot MGR is? 7698. So it is matching to this one. Is manager name equal to Blake? Yes, selected. Next, go to the next one. What the X dot MGR is? 7698. So this is matching to this one. Is manager name equal to Blake? Yes, selected. Like that. Okay. So this will show only the employees reporting to what? Blake. Now, suppose I'll ask, for example, employees. Otherwise, I'll ask like this. So I want to display Blake's manager name. I want to display Blake's manager name. If I ask Blake's manager name means who is Blake? Who is Blake? Employee. So Blake is employee. Then how to write? To the same query, what? X dot E name equals to Blake. To the same query, X dot E name equals to Blake. Then what? Where? Employee name equals to Blake. Then X dot E name equals to Blake. So to the same query, then. So this is what manager name. Manager name equals to, sorry, employee name equals to Blake. Okay, now? Okay. So then what it will do? It will go to what? Then so goes to this. What is this is what 7902. Okay, na? 7902 is compared with this one. But is employee name equals to Blake? No. This is employee name equals to Blake? No. Your employee name equals to Blake? No. Employee name equal to Blake? Yes. So this one is selected, and this is matching to this one. Okay, na? So employee name is what? Blake. Manager name is what, sir? King. Understood? Then now, so this gives then who is the manager for Blake? Who is the Blake's manager? King. And if I ask like this, what I want to see employees earning more than their managers. Employees earning more than their managers. What is the meaning? Employees' salaries greater than manager's salary. If employee's salary greater than manager's salary, then select. But possible? Possible or not possible? So just see the table once again. See, anyone is there in table. You find out anyone is there earning more than his manager. In table, anyone is there earning more than his manager. Anyone is there? Observe. Yes. Then. So you take Scott. What is the Scott salary? 3,000. Who is the manager for Scott? Who is the manager for Scott? 7566. What is 7566 salary? 29. Scott's salary is 3,000. His manager's salary is 2975. Yes or no? Similarly, what? Ford. Ford's salary 3,000. His Ford manager is 7566. Jones' salary is 2975. That means these two employees are what? These two employees are earning more than their managers. So I want to find out that employees. Then what? Tell me what is the query? What is the where condition? Employee salary greater than manager salary. That's all. What is how to write employee salary? X dot salary greater than Y dot salary. X dot salary means employee salary. Y dot salary means manager salary. Then it will check whether employee salary is greater than manager salary or not. Then you see this. So there are two employees. Who is that? Scott and Ford. But in the output, it's not showing the salaries. Why it is not showing the salaries? Because we are not selecting. We are selecting only the names. That's why it will show only the names. But I want to see the salaries also. Then select what? Write X dot salary. X dot salary means employee salary, comma, Y dot salary as manager salary. Then okay, so execute this. What it just gives? This gives what, sir? Scott salary 3,000. Scott manager is Jones. Jones salary is 29. 2975. Ford salary 3,000. Ford manager is Jones. Salary is 2975. Okay, then. No. If I ask who are joined before his manager, then who are joined before his manager? Height date. You have to compare what? Height date. Employee height date should be less than or greater than? Less than. Employee height date less than manager height date. If employee height date less than manager height date, then select. So that gives who are joined before his manager. So we are joining employees and managers data, but employees and managers are not belongs to two different tables. They belongs to the same table. Okay. Then. So this is all examples for what's a self-join. Then. But in one of the, they asked a question like this. They given a table. What is the table? Then. So, no. There is a table. The table is teams table. Teams table. They given two fields, ID and country. ID 1, IND. ID 2, AS. ID 3, something, ENG. They given the table like this. So with two fields, ID and country, 3 rows. What the question asked is, write a query to display following output. Write a query to display following outputs. Okay, na? Write a query to display what? Following output. What is that output? I want output to be like this. IND versus AUS. AUS versus IND versus ENG. AUS versus ENG. IND versus, okay, na? IND versus AUS, IND versus ENG, AUS versus ENG. I want output to be like this. But if you observe this output here, IND join with what? AUS. IND join with what? ENG. AUS join with what? ENG. So joining of records of same table or different table? Same table. What is required here? Self-join is required. Because you are joining the records of same table. Okay, then. By seeing this output, immediately you should be able to identify self-join is required. What is the join condition? Okay, you said self-join. Okay, but next, sir, identify the join condition. What is the join condition? Sir, when you say self-join, then like how many tables? Actually, table is one, but then next teams A. What is the next one? Teams B. And ID, what's it? Country. So ID is one. What? Country IND. Next ID 2. AUS. ID 3. Next one ENG. Now tell me what is the condition? To get this required output, what is the condition? This is the output. For this output, what is the condition? A dot. This is the output bus. For this output, what is the condition? Tell me. A dot ID. A dot ID equal to B dot ID. A dot ID equal to B dot ID means 1 equal to 1. That means IND join with what? IND. AUS is join with what? AUS. ENG join with what? ENG. If it is equal, you'll get the output like this. IND, AUS, ENG, ENG. But this is the output they asked? No. Then it's not equal. Then what? A dot ID. I'm asking the join condition. Not equal to. If join condition is not equal to, then B dot ID. A dot ID not equal to B dot ID. See, 1 is equal. But our condition is what? Not equal. 1 not equal to 2. 1 not equal to 2. Yes. IND join with what? AS. And 1 not equal to 3. Yes. IND join with what? IND join with ENG. Next one. 1 is completed. 2. 2 is not equal to 1. Yes. 2 not equal to 1. Then what? AESC join with what? IND. Then next one. 2. 2 equal to 2. But our condition is what? Not equal to. 2 not equal to 3. Yes. Then AESC join with what? ENG. Next one. 2 completed. Next one. 3. 3 not equal to 1. Yes. Then ENG join with 3 not equal to 2. Yes. ENG join with what? AUS. Is this the required output? No. If it is not equal to, we'll get the output like this. This is not correct. If it is equal, then you'll get the output like this. If country IDs are same, then join. So this is join. This is joined to this one. This is joined to this one. If it is equal. Not equal to means one is joined with what? 1 joined with 2, 3. Not equal to, na? 1 joined with 2, 3. 2 joined with 1, 3. 3 joined with 1, 2. And that is also not correct. But this, for this requirement, see that for this requirement, 1 should be joined with what? 2, 3. 2 should be joined with what's that? 3. Then what? 1 should be joined with 2, 3. And 2 should be joined with 3. Then what? A dot? Okay then. So you can check. You check. Okay, na? Then. So we'll see that in the next class.